What's up, guys? It's June 7th, 2024. Pretty nice day in the markets. Caught this first leg and a little bit of this down leg here. It was a really cool day. We have like a wedge top that broke out to the downside. Some resistance right there. Here's that wedge top. There. Right there. Let's do the quick top down analysis and then get into it. Breakout. This is the daily. This is the 45-minute. Hold on. So yeah, now these charts are lining up a little bit better. So this low is this low. When I say breakout, this pole is this pole. The crosshairs line up. Breakout above the EMA. This is a 20 EMA. Breakout, pullback. So now we have a channel. We start channeling. We go sideways. That's the entire market cycle. This is also a wedge bottom here. Wedge bottom in a bull trend is pretty strong. That has, as we see, continuation. First pullback to the EMA. Strong outside bar, sideways. Breakout, sideways. So it'll be interesting to see if we get one more push that makes a wedge top. Or maybe we turn around here and this is the wedge top. So, or maybe that we just break out and keep going higher. Failed breakout, continuation. It'll be interesting to see. First pullback. Both sides have really good cases, so it's hard to tell. 45-minute chart looks a little more bearish at the moment. So now we're just looking right here, higher high, double top. I guess that's also a wedge top with this bar right here. The idea of all these names, higher high, wedge top, double top, isn't to sound cool. Like a wedge top is just 3 pushes up. It shows 3 failed breakouts. So one bullish failed breakout. So wedge top is 3 failed breakouts. 1, 2, 3. And that shows bulls have tried to go one way 3 times and they failed. So now the bears might get a turn. And I will say it's very easy to find wedge tops in bull trends. So you got to be careful looking for tops and trends and looking for bottoms and bear trends wherever. It would be very easy to get cut up thinking, oh, look, 3 failed breakouts. Yeah, but look at the context. Look how many bear gaps are open. This is more of a bear trend, climactic. And then, so think about that if you're going to try and frame a trade. That's what a wedge top, the internals of a wedge top is. So, and that's this wedge top we just looked at isn't this entire thing. It's just like these small pushes here, and then the bears get 3 legs lower. So here is a wedge bottom. You can see failed breakouts happen all the time. They're pretty important. Let's just get into it. I'm rambling now. So yeah, today I really liked today. I was at work, so I couldn't trade it how I wanted to. But I caught this first leg, got a little bit chopped up here. I got long on this bar for another leg up, and then I was at work, so I kind of missed my exit. So I was looking for a retest and then dumped, and then I caught the second legs down. The reason I think today is pretty cool is because of the way, if we trade price, like it's just, I don't know. Okay, look. So we have a big gap down. Bar 1 is a bear bar, so that's telling us, okay, the bears are seeing continuation. That happened right into support, failed breakout. As bullish as I was to this whole thing, in the back of my head, I was like, this is not the start of a bull trend. There's an underlying tone to this bull trend because bar 1 just shouldn't look like that. That's a gap down with continuation. Shouldn't look like that I mean, it can do whatever it wants. I just think that's suspicious for a bull trend. So bar 1, failed breakout. Bar 2, back continuation. Bar 3, we reverse above bar 1's high. So bulls are getting the reversal. Here is a fractal fractal pullback. So on a lower time frame, there's two-sided trading, and two-sided trading shows a channel. These are all bull bars until we get bar 6. So here's the first trend line break on the 5-minute. So now we for sure are in the channel phase, and the market channel is higher. It's the second leg. Second leg starts to break out right here. Starts to break out above the EMA, so we can count leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, or you can count, I guess, leg 1, pullback, because that bar 13 breaks the channel line, and then climactic second leg, failed breakout. Different ways to count it. The idea is to hold the trade, or no, the idea is to read the markets and then place a trade. So I don't know why I said it like that. So reversals are a form of a breakout as well. Reversals are really important because they tell us a lot about the markets. Failed breakout, bulls get the reversal, close above bar 1. Let me get this timer out. Okay. So bar one's open was 52.50. Bar three's high, bar three's close was 53.50. Wait, what? Bar two's high is 52.75. Bar three's close is 53.50. 52.75. Oh yeah, so it closed 3 ticks above bar one. Yeah, yeah. So it's breaking out. Small tail, pullback, and we channel. Bulls do yesterday's range in like the first hour of the day. Deep pullback. When I saw this deep pullback, I was hoping it'd be a spike. So this is a spike pullback in channel, but this deep pullback broke below bar 13. Is this 13? Broke below bar 14. So that's suspicious, right? So now we have bar one is weird, and now the deep pullback broke below the breakout bar. We are in a bull regime. We're trading above the higher time frame EMA. We've been bullish for quite some time. So bulls picked up that first gap bar below the EMA. You gotta think how many bulls are trapped up here. How many people are buying the close and the market took a dump. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of relentless selling. But then they get no continuation below the EMA. I remember buying 21 and I scalped out around 33 because I thought that was 3 pushes up. I was gonna do something like that. And then I kind of FOMO'd here, got trapped here, and then I made it back here. Um, I was at work on Friday though. So breakout. No, excuse me. Bears go for a breakout. I think there are more buyers here. We're testing these levels. Bar 21 dips, testing this here. Bar 21's low is 56. The high of this was the close is 53. So it's not testing this. It's testing bar 5's high close. Bar 5's close is 56.50. 21's low is 56. So there's a small gap right here. And bears don't even get a second leg. So you gotta think if they're not getting a second leg, there's probably trap traders with bar 22. Traps traders because it trades 1 tick lower and completely reverses bar 23. Bar 24 continuation. Bar 25 looks climactic, pullback, and so we are officially in a channel. And this channel goes for free order trading. Look at 10 o'clock though. Kind of lines up with a midday reversal. Double top, bar 48 reverses with bar 49. Think about right here. Now look right here. Wedge top. These bars are getting kind of more climactic. It's 3 pushes up. Like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. And here's like 2-sided trading. It's opposite bars. Like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. Like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. Here's 1. So you gotta think how many pushes are we getting up, and look at this wick. Look what it tested right here. That was probably a candle for these guys to get out, and then people this bar penetrated the EMA a lot. This shows there's still buyers. They're still buying the EMA. However, they get there like 1, pull back like 2. Good bulls will take profits. Bad bulls are gonna get trapped. They buy lower. They get out at 50%. So the bulls that bought the high tick. Why? So the bulls that bought the high tick here buy more here, and look, it reverses at the 50% level, and the market dumps, and that would explain bar one. Bears that got short here probably got short there, and made their money back. This was a pretty strong leg one, and we bounced off support again. But when you see this, I'm definitely not looking to get long. I actually did scalp this, I remember, but that was a quick scalp because this was, I think the market was really extended from the EMA. The EMA pulled in. So I think it's good. And this is also leg 1, pullback leg 2 into the EMA, lower high, leg 1, pullback leg 2. That's what I liked about today, the leg counting. Breakout leg 1, breakout leg 2, or excuse me, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, climactic, or leg 1, pullback leg 2. And then look, reversal is a form of a breakout. This could be profit taking. There's still a lot of bullish pressure, so I didn't get short here because we're above the EMA, but what if I got short around here because I missed this leg? I was trapped bullish, which is proof of why the market dumped, because there's been a lot of bullish trapped. The bears see this as what is that, head and shoulders? That's what all the kids are saying nowadays. Strong spike below the EMA. Look how many bars this took out here. And I saw this bouncing, but it was a strong close. And then they got followed through, bounced off the EMA, 2-legged pullback, and then bears got another 2 legs down, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. That creates a wedge bottom, double bottom. Lots of ways to play it today, but the leg counting was tight. So we're going sideways on the daily. See what happens on the 45-minute chart here. It looks like bulls are starting to get closes below, but the low of this is 51.25. The low here, the low here is 51. So there's actually a tick gap. There's a tick. Wait a minute. Am I saying that right? Okay, so this candle's low is 51.20. I'm looking right here on the side of the screen. This candle's low is 51.25. This candle's low is 51. 51.25. Oh, 51.25 is higher. So this went one tick below here, and then I don't even know. I guess it didn't reverse because it still closed bearish, but they didn't make they didn't close the new low. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys are studying your stop loss. I hope lead counting's starting to hit a little bit because it definitely works. It's fun. Have a good one, guys. I will talk to you later. Have a good weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you had a safe weekend. Stay safe. Study. Keep studying. Don't take any breaks. Just study until you have so much money you have to take a break. I say that, but I don't know. I wouldn't mind a break or two. I don't know. Just tell me what you guys think about studying or taking breaks. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.